Hey everyone, welcome back to Pavli again, and in this video you are going to learn how you can send notifications about a new issue created in Jira to Google Hangouts automatically. So guys, here you just need to create a issue in Jira and the notification about the same issue is going to be delivered to your team working on Google Hangouts automatically. So you need not to copy paste the data of any issue from Jira and then notify your team manually on Google Hangouts. This is going to happen automatically. Let me show you how. So this will be the flow of the automation. Here in Jira software, whenever a issue got created, a message will be delivered to your team on Google Hangouts automatically. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, the best part of setting up this automation is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge, and you can set up this automation very easily. So now let's set up this automation together. So the first step to set up this automation, guys, is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And to reach here, you can use the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and it will provide you 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so after reaching here, you can create a workflow of automation by clicking here on this create workflow button, and here you can give any suitable name to your workflow or automation. So I'm giving the name to this automation as send Jira issues notifications on Google Hangouts. All right. Right. So now I'm going to click here on this create button, and you can see your our workflow getting created like this. And on this page, guys, you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So this automation work on these two things. So the trigger is the happening of that event which is going to trigger this workflow, and the action is the response towards that trigger. As in our use case, the trigger would be a new issue created in Jira, and the action or the response towards that trigger would be to send a notification about it to your team on Google Hangouts. All right. So first of all, set up this trigger from here. So from this choose app field, search for Jira application, Jira software, this one. Okay. And here in the trigger event, you have to select this configure webhooks option, and it will give you this URL. This is called as a webhook URL, guys, and it is used to fetch the data out from an external application to here in Pabbly Connect. So by following these instructions written here, you can make this connection. So you can read these instructions carefully and perform these steps. Here, let me show you how you can actually do this. So first of all, I'm going to copy this webhook URL from here, and I'm going back to my Jira software's dashboard. This is my Jira applications dashboard, and this is a project named as Pabbly Connect project, in which I want to create, in which we are working on and creating issues. All right. So from here, click on the settings icon from the top right corner, and then click on systems. Under the systems settings, on this left hand side panel, scroll down and find advanced option. This is advanced, and under this advanced option, click on webhooks, and here you have to set or create a webhook by clicking on this create a webhook button, and here you can give a suitable name to the webhook. Let me fill the name as Google Hangouts, or you can give any name. I'm just filling it as a demo. All right, and now you have to enable it, and here in this URL field you have to paste the webhook URL that you have copied from here. Just paste it here like this. All right, and here in this issue related events, you can specify a JQL or Jira query language query to send only events triggered by matching issues. All right, so let's say that I want to send the notifications about the issues that I'm creating on this project named as Pabbly Connect project. All right, so I want to send the notifications for only this project and for the issues creating in this project. All right. For that to happen, I'm going to apply or fill a JQL query here, which will look like this. Here you can see in this instructions written here, you can copy the format of JQL query from here. All right, copy this and put it here. So this is not a compulsory step. If you want that anything happening on any project, you want to send the notifications about that to your team, so you can leave this blank. Or if you want to specify a project, you can specify it like this, that I am doing. So here I'm mentioning the name of my project, so you will find the name of the project here, and the issue type is bug, and we are done. Now in the in this issue link, you have to select created, check this box, created. All right, and now we are sorry, not issue link, issue created, sorry. Here you have to check this box, issue created, and we are done. So click here on this create, and a new webhook is created here successfully, right? And here you can see as you have copied this webhook URL, it started showing this waiting for the webhook's response. So this means now you have to perform a test submission, or you have to create a demo issue or a test issue in Jira, and we are going to capture that issue here, and with the help of that data we are going to move forward. So I'm going back to my Jira application, and I'm opening my project, which is this Pabbly Connect project. And here, let me create a issue. So to create a issue, you have to click here on this create button, and here you have to create a issue. So the issue type is bug, because we have specified it in the JQL query. So select the issue type, put the issue summary as a new bug found in our application. So this is a demo issue I'm creating just to show you how to set up this automation. All right, so you can enter the description here if you want. All right, or you can select the reporter, the assignee, you can put the name of the assignee also, right? And here you can enter the components. And now I'm clicking on create here, and you can see a new issue is created here, right? So you can see this issue from this view issue, a new bug found in our application. This is a new issue, guys. Now let's check in Pabbly Connect if we got the date of this issue, and here you can see in this response received section we got the date of the issue as this. All right, so this is a issue. This is how you can capture the data of an issue. Now I want to notify my team, which is present here on Google Hangouts. This is my team's group, Pabbly Connect. This is a space in which my team is chatting. So to notify my team, you have to connect Google Hangouts application in this action step. So search for Google Hangouts from here. This is it, Google Hangouts chat. Select it, and in the action event select create message, then click on connect. All right, and we are connected here. Now you have to put here a chat webhook URL. So to find the chat webhook URL, go back to your Hangouts application, and from the space, click here on the space, and here you will find this manage webhooks option. Click on it, and here you can add a incoming webhook. So put a name here to this incoming webhook as from Jira. I'm putting here as from Jira. All right, click on save, and you can see a new incoming webhook is created. So just copy this webhook chat URL and put it here in this field like this, and here you can type the message that you want to send to your team. Here I'm putting the message as this: hey team, we got a new issue created in our Jira project. So this is a standard message I am creating for the issues. So here I am going to put the issues title, issue description, and description, and here I am going to put the issues assignee name. All right, thank you. And here I am going to map this data that I have mentioned here from the first step, from where we have captured the issues data. All right, so you can see I have put here the issues title and all these things. So I'm going to map the data from this first step. All right, where we have got the issues data like this. So guys, to map these things, just click here on this message and you will find this Jira issue step in the drop down, and when you click on it you will find all the data that you have received from the first step. So from here only you can map the title of the issue, and you will find the title here. So you can find the title here from this issue field summary label. Okay, this is the title, map it. For the description, use the same way and map the description, which will look like which you will find in this issue type description label. Map it. And in the assignee names, you will find the assignee name here. When you scroll down, it will show you the assignee's name. Here you can see in this assignee display name label, this is the assignee's name, map it. All right. Now you can check your connection with Google Hangouts by clicking on save and send test request, and a new message will be delivered here in this space like this. All right. So I'm clicking on save and send test request, and let's see what happens. And you can see this is the response we got. Let me show you in the Hangout space, and here you can see this is the message we got. All right, so it is showing, hey team, we got a new issue created in a Jira project. This is the issue title, the description, and the assignee's name. All right, so this is the things we have mapped there and typed here, and we got the message here. So this is how it is going to work, guys. And we are done setting up this automation, and you can see in this automation, first of all I connected Jira software in the trigger, and with the help of this URL and with the help of these instructions I made the connection and fetched the response of a demo issue created like this. After that I connected Google Hangouts to send message to my team. Then I typed the message and mapped this data here. So guys, when you map this data here like this, what will happen, as in when you create a new issue, this data is going to change accordingly according to the new issue, and a new message will be here. All right, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that you don't have to do anything manually here. After that, as and when you create a issue in Jira, a message will be delivered here automatically. And guys, the good part is you can use the same workflow that I've created, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description, so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start running this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.